And that's the actual doorbell itself. So all right, big day. As some of you may know, I have the Kangaroo Alarm System, which has been pretty nice. That's one of the sensors right there. And of course, like every tech company, Kangaroo is continuing to evolve and add more products, which is what's in my hand right here. Let me get this out of here. It's got like a little tear tab. Well, here we go. This is it. The Kangaroo Doorbell. So this will work like, any other smart doorbell. And basically, I'm going to install this outside here. It's 100% wireless. You don't need any wires at all. It runs completely off of batteries. So I'm going to make another video on the actual setup and actually using this device. This video is just going to be the unboxing and me showing you what you get inside this cool little package. So let's get to the unboxing. So as I went to do this, I actually noticed that there's not really an unboxing to do here. Alerts, theft prevention, night vision to see who's at your door. No tools required. Just peel and stick next to your door. But yeah, there's no unboxing because you literally open this side and there it is. Download the app, follow the app setup guide, peel and stick your doorbell. That is it. This looks to be just the owner's manual and stuff. Let's see, anything. Oh, it looks like it's all yellow. Hey, you got another Kangaroo sticker. Very nice. The sticky stuff to put on the back of your doorbell and mount it. Optional screws, I'm guessing. That's all that's in there. And this is just the manual telling you how to get started. And that's the actual doorbell itself. So you put your sticker here. Looks like there may be one on here. It's already got your batteries in here. And then you just place it at your door. Very nice. And that's the unboxing of the Kangaroo of the Kangaroo Photo Doorbell. I just realized that I think I've been calling this a video doorbell, and that's one of the small differences. The small differences is this is technically a camera doorbell. Now that doesn't mean that they can't add video capabilities later, but from my understanding, this thing only takes photos for you. So that's a little different than what's normal, but I still wanted one. I don't plan to use it on the front door forever. I plan to actually probably move this to the back door just in case. Nobody should ever be at our back door, but this would be perfect for it, and get a Nest doorbell for up front. But that's it. That's the Kangaroo Photo Doorbell unboxing. That's what it looks like when you'll get it, and I will make another video on the setup. So if you can, click that like button, click subscribe down in the corner, and I will see you next time. Deuces. I didn't catch this in the actual unboxing. Boom, home secured. I don't know, I just like that.